In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Google Workspace. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Workspace Admin Console and hit Enter. Look for the official Google link to the admin console and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, use an admin account with the appropriate privileges. You'll need admin access to make changes to billing and payments, so make sure you're not using a basic user account. Once you're in the admin console, head to the left-hand menu and go to Billing. This is where subscriptions, invoices, and payment settings live. We're focusing on the area that controls who can manage payments, which is an important part of offboarding or tightening access. Inside Billing, click Payment Accounts. You should see your active Google Workspace subscription listed. Find that active subscription and look for the Actions menu on the right side of the row. Click Actions, then select View Payment Methods. This opens the page where your primary and backup payment methods are stored, along with controls for who can access and manage them. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see Manage Payments Users. Click that. This section lists the people who currently have permission to view or manage your organization's payment information. Removing someone here takes away their ability to manage billing, receive certain billing emails, or make changes to payment details. Find the user you want to delete from Payments Access. Next to their name, click the drop-down menu. Choose Remove. Before you finalize anything, quickly double-check that you've selected the correct person. Removing the wrong user could interrupt your internal billing workflow, especially if that person was the primary point of contact for invoices or card updates. After you click Remove, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm. The change applies right away, and the user will no longer have access to your organization's Google Workspace payment settings. If you need to restore access later, you can come back to this same screen and re-add the person, but for now, you're done. That's the full process. Search for the admin console, sign in, go to Billing, open payment accounts, use the Actions menu to view payment methods, scroll to Manage Payments Users, remove the correct person, and confirm. Taking a moment to verify the right subscription and the right user helps you avoid accidental changes and keeps your billing access clean and secure.